Don't forget that very often, the best medicine is to live on without it. You won't find the kind of love that your parents had for you anywhere. If something goes wrong, do the opposite. Never underestimate your power to change yourself, and never overestimate your power to change others. If you want a woman to keep loving herself, try to install in her the idea that you are in awe of her beauty. Do not answer a fool by his folly, lest you become like him. If you can't change the way you live, no one and nothing can help you.